MLPS is Bivar's newest product that improves the way devices communicate with humans. The Modular Light Pipe System, MLPS, is a patent-pending, configurable light pipe system with precision bezel alignment for optimal device communication. The system is easy to configure and install and will get your design completed and to market much faster than other available solutions. There are two configurable options for MLPS: rail and tower, and the rail and tower with bezel system. These two modular system options provide you the freedom to choose configurations that suit your product application, like 1x4, 2x8, 4x4, and 1x12, and many more. Matrix configurations as large as 8x12 are ideal for displaying light patterns unique to your specific application. The MLPS RT rail and tower design combines an adjustable rail with zero light bleed adapter technology, resulting in a highly efficient light pipe system. The compact MLPS RT PCB footprint saves valuable space while maximizing light output. With rail, tower, and precision alignment bezel, MLPS RTB gives you the ultimate in modular light pipe system for device communication. It provides single part number convenience, along with ease of installation and the ability to personalize using Bivar's light pipe system configurator. Along with your choice of MLPS system, Bivar's surface mount LEDs are compatible with both systems and are easily selectable in our MLPS light pipe system configurator. You can use MLPS for applications such as network servers, matrix switchers, audio mixers, and more. Use our configurator today and start building out your personalized modular light pipe system. Visit bivar.com to learn more.